Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a redeem code to get various different items on the Subnautica game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Subnautica game on your device. Once you have been taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. Then within Options page, you will see the Redeem a Key option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can enter any redeem key in order to get items and various other rewards. Simply click on the box and then type in your redeem key. Once you have typed in your redeem key, just click on the redeem button. And now the redeem code will be activated and you will be provided your reward right away. You can start using this reward while playing your game in real time. And as long as it is legit, you can use multiple redeem keys as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on the Subnautica game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.